So hi guys, welcome back again with another video. In this video we are going to discussing about how to convert normal bicycle to the electrical bicycle. So here one of the toughest parts, the motors. So we are going to start with toughest part. So you can see here, so this is the normal pedal, this is for normal pedal chain, and we are going to show you one more pedals. So you can see here, okay, this is for this pedal for fixing with motor. So this motor 24 volts, 250 watts, 300 rpm. This is for the controller. I will show you. This is the controller. This is the controller we are going to fix here, and we are going to press it. And this is the battery. This is the for 24 volts 10 Ah battery. The range was around 25 kilometers in real time. So I already tested it. So 24 volts and 10 Ah. When we are going to increase the 10 Ah, like 20 Ah, it will be around 40 kilometers. If you want more range, you can increase the Ah, like 40 Ah. It will be around 100 kilometers. So yeah. This is the motor. So sometimes the plate was not sufficient our vehicles, so we have to modify it, so with the help of mechanics. So now, so this is for motor inputs. We have to connect with controller. Do not connect directly into the battery. When we are going to connect the direct battery, so it will be uncontrolled. So that is the main point. So then you can connect with these plugins. They are, don't worry, they are giving some numbers, so you have to fix with particular numbers. So that's the first thing. Now the motor has been completed. So this is one of the toughest part in the vehicle, so we have to fix it with the help of mechanics. So this is the controller. We have to connect with controller in this particular motor input. And again, this battery, this is the 24 volts 10 Ah batteries. The range was around 25 kilometers. Sometimes it will be reaching 29 kilometers depending on environment situations. So this is we have to connect with the controller only. So the battery output will be connected into the controller will operating entire battery and motor. So and as well as we have to connect with the throttles into the controllers. So I will show you. You can see here. Yeah, I'll show you. So we have to connect with controller, this motor connection, and as well as battery connection. And now next, this is for give me 1 minute. Yeah, okay. So you can see here. Yeah, I think, yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, this is for throttle. So you can see here. So you can raise like XL motors. So this is for battery. This is for braking system. So here the throttle input, we have to give the throttle input into the controller. We have to connect with the controllers. They are giving the numbers, so we have to fix it particular number into the controller. So when we are going to rise, then automatically the motor power, it will be increasing. So this is the throttle, and as well as we are going to control the braking system. Here they are giving the brake. So in this braking system, they are giving the normal brakes into the fixing into the our normal. So normal brakes, as well as we have to do cut down system also. When we are going to take the brake, then automatically our motor has been shut down, like it will be stop. So when we are going to fix like when we are going to take the brake, so whether left or right, so like front and back, so then automatically the motor has been switch off. So then automatically the power cut off, like. So when we are going to rise, then automatically it will be started. So before going that, we have to fix one key here. So when we are going to take on the key, then automatically it will be starting working on controllers. Clear? So the now I will show you real-time demonstration. This is the clears. And one more thing, this is for battery indicator and as well as headlamp. So here, yeah, I will show you. Yeah, you can see here. So this is the indicator. So here the battery indicators. Yeah, the battery is showing like a battery indicator, whether how much battery is there, how much battery power is there. You can analyze here only. So I will show you. Yeah, so you can see here. Now this is the key. We have to take this, so I can put here. Then it turn out, then automatically our controller working started. So you can see here, I will show you. So the red light has been blinked right now. So almost all the first point, we already used this vehicle in outside, so that's why the 1 point has been reduced. So you can see here remaining 4 points. So now my battery is working fine, I think. So that let's start. So here one more button is there. You can then automatically the headlamp has been started and blinking. Then here they are given some horn. You can see here this horn connected with the headlamp. So this headlamp connected with controllers. So now, yeah, you can see here. I will show you. Yeah, then stop it. So here I am showing you with the wheel condition with the accelerators. So I am going to take, yeah, here you can see this is the range. See, like this. Okay guys, I think everything is clear. So we done the motor and controller, the battery and braking system and throttle and headlights. This is the main things. Why I don't know, in the market a lot of people are struggling. So it's too much expensive, the electrical vehicle, I don't know. So recently we bought about a 7G. Unfortunately I returned that, but almost all that is the 89,000. So but this cost around like a 66,000. The battery cost was around 9,000. So if you want to increase the AH, then automatically the price was increased. So that's almost all. It will be take like 13,000. So the good performance. If you want to interest, you can buy it in Amazon. I will give the link in Amazon. Amazon links, I will give the links in the description. Need not to worry about it. You can buy it in the particular links. Yeah, thank you guys. More updates, please subscribe our channel.